In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this healthy smoothie for thicker, longer, and stronger hair growth. This smoothie is also great for skin. It will help your skin to glow. It can also help you to lose weight. So let's get right into the video.
Spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But
So guys, these are all the ingredients you're going to be needing for the smoothie. So the first is this fruiting. I got this from eBay. You can also get it from Amazon. It has all variety of fruits and vegetables. You're going to be needing your almond milk, Greek yogurt. You want to make sure you're getting the all-natural yogurt. You're going to be needing a banana, avocado. So here I have my kale and spinach washed. So it's just like this because I've just, mixed them together while washing them. So this is why it's a little bit squished up, but it's still nice and fresh. And in there I have my tomatoes and my strawberries. I'm going to be blending them all up. Let's make sure you give your vegetables and fruits a proper wash. It is very important. So first I'm going to be blending my kale and spinach together. So I'm going to make sure that I have a nice smooth consistency before adding the rest of the ingredients. I'm just going to be adding my almond milk and water. This is just to help me to blend my vegetables very smoothly. And I'm just going to allow this to blend very well to a nice smooth consistency before adding the rest of the ingredients.
call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days.
So when I'm satisfied with the consistency, I will now begin to add the rest of the ingredients into it and give this a very good blend. So guys, you can see the color of the smoothie here, very greenish, and it's so lovely. But the moment you start blending it, the color is going to change. Reason is because we have mixed the fruit in with it. I don't want you to get worked up over that. I don't want that to bother you because this has lots of amazing benefits, guys. As long as it does what it promised to do, it is worth it. This smoothie is amazing. Since I started having this smoothie, I have said goodbye to acne. I no longer experience any form of acne on my face. It has helped me to lose a lot of weight, and it has also helped my hair to grow rapidly. Guys, trust me, you are going to come back to say thank you to me because this smoothie is worth it, guys. I enjoy it a lot. So after blending this, I will just, the way I love to have it is put it in the refrigerator for it to cool down, and after some time, I'm just going to sit down and relax and enjoy this smoothie. So my second daughter loves to have this smoothie with me. She loves it and she enjoys it a lot. So I always encourage her to, go on and have some. And as you can see, guys, I already had, half of it in the kitchen before putting the rest of it in the refrigerator. It's just because it's so delicious, and I think about the benefits that this smoothie does to my body, to my skin, to my hair, everything. Like, it makes my life so easier. And as you can see, guys, I've almost had half of it in the kitchen, and I'm just trying to add more to it just to fill it up so I can just put the rest of it in the fridge, and then I'll sit down, relax, and enjoy this. I want you all to please go and try this smoothie. It's not something you will try for 1 week and then you stop. You have to be consistent with it. Drink it every day, and then you come back and say thank you to me, guys. This smoothie is amazing. I can't just do without this smoothie. I'm used to it. I love it so much. It's my go-to. Like, seriously, it's my everything. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. If you do, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, share this video to friends and family, and I'm waiting for you to come back and give me the feedback. Okay, guys? Like I said, consistency is the key. You have to be consistent to see results. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to this channel. Please be sure to subscribe before leaving this channel and hit the bell to get instant notification each time I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like